Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the driveway and a very mucky, dirty Scirocco. I've just pulled it off the drive. It's a lovely sunny day. We're like, what's it, 21st of February? It's the first decent day we've had. The car's been parked up since I brought it back from the NEC back in the start of November. And it's not moved since, so it is filthy. And nice day. Just charged the battery. I'm going to give it a damn good clean. I've got the jet wash out, snow foam out. We're going to give it a quick detail and take it for a damn good run at the start of the year. But that's it for today. I want to grab the camera, I'll show you what state it's currently in, and then we'll do a quick video at the end showing how clean it is, hopefully. So that is the plan for a nice sunny Saturday afternoon. State is it in? Well, you can see the muck all over it. It may not be as obvious. The wheels are covered in crap. This is just stuff that's blown in, because the side of the carport isn't exactly watertight. The backs, the lubers are covered in dust and crap. Yeah, so the plan is to give it a damn good first clean of the year. So looking forward to take it for a drive. It's been too long. We'll get some nice, fresh, high octane fuel for it as well. Right, I'm just gonna put a time lapse up, I think. Cheers. Okay, so that's snow foamed, washed down, washed off, hand washed, washed off, dried off, and now I've just changed to another towel. I'm going to give it a quick detail. It's come up pretty good for a first wash. It needs a deep clean. I've got some issues on the body kit. I'll show you in a minute. But I've got some mold just sitting in there, which I think about. I'm going to deal with that. Other than that, it's worked really, really well for an hour and a half, 2 hour clean. So right, let's go with the quick detail using Magware's quick detail. Magware's quick detail. Really do like this stuff. Right, let's do that. Okay, pretty clean, pretty tidy. It needs another deep clean. It's got all the crap off it that's been stuff for the last 3 or 4 months. It's looking really, really good. Enough to take it for a run. That's important after a clean car for a good run out. So I want to put the battery back on charge and take it for its first blast in 3-4 months. Now I'm going to show you around it. It does need another deep clean, probably with a clay bar. But I do have some issues where the body kit is joining here. There's a bit of mold getting into the into the joint, the what do you call it, the tiger seal joint. Anyone's got any ideas of how best to clear that off? Can you let me know in the comments below? So it's come up really clean. There's a few little marks on it, a couple of bits that need play barring off, but considering it the state it was at the start, I'm quite happy with it. The bonnet's looking really good. But the only issue I've got is I had a couple of some of this cropping up earlier on. Now I think it's a bit of mould in the joint. You can see it here as well, because this is the side that always sits against the my fence, so it's always slightly damp. Now I was thinking of getting some Sillet Bang, taping off top and bottom, just applying some Sillet Bang on there, bathroom stuff to try and get into there and clean it off. But if anyone's got any better ideas or knows a solution or a product to do that, let me know in the comments below. Really glad I've had the opportunity to give this car a clean. The weather's been shocking in the UK, particularly in Manchester. It's not been a clear weekend where either it's not rained, snowed, sleeted, or the grit has been actually been below freezing. So nice sunny day. Car's nice and clean. I'm going to take you for a damn good run. So if you know of any products to try and clear that mould off the tiger seal joint, can you please let me know in the comments below? I just want to get that cleaned up. But yeah, looking forward to some car shows. First one is the 6th of April at it's the Retributes Track Attack at 3 Sisters over in Wigan. And then there's a Retributes meet just before that as well, in Glaisbury at the Georgian Dragon. Looking forward to getting this car used now. Anyway, I'm hitting this far. Hopefully, I'm not sure how this video is going to be because I've done everything on time lapse. You made it this far. Thanks for watching. Cheers.